What is engineering? Engineering is a profession in which scientific knowledge and mathematics, gained through study, experiment and practice are applied with intuition or judgment to develop ways to use economically the materials or forces of nature for the benefit of mankind. We are now in 21st century era. The current world we exist in, no places and country will succeed without the adoption of engineering principles and practices. Because of the efforts of engineering, since its conception, engineering has developed into a field of application of science and technology to design new solutions in supporting the growth and development of a country's economy as well as in improving the quality of life for citizens, the well-being of society, especially economic growth. It plays a key role in our homes, schools, offices, agriculture, automobiles, banks, security, and so many other areas. Challenges are always evolving, but here are some of the biggest challenges and issues of computing field that the professionals are facing, or could face, in today's society. 1. Adapting to customer changes. In today's challenging environment, tech teams are facing hurdles in product focus, budgets, timelines and team dynamics. The greatest difficulty for all tech teams will be to adapt to how their customers are changing. 2. Automating security detection and response. Organizations should prioritize reinvesting in their security teams. For years now, we have lived in an age of alert overload, with security and response teams overwhelmed by the data points they receive. 3. Educating employees about cyber threats. Enabling employees to work from anywhere, but securely, will be a big challenge. Research shows that 48% of employees are less likely to follow safe data practices when working from home. As remote working becomes the norm, tech teams must educate employees on threats like phishing and adopt new policies and solutions that can protect data from risky work-from-home behaviors and incidents of human error. 4. Sourcing and retaining IT talent. Sourcing, hiring and retaining top IT talent will always be a major challenge in the IT industry, especially for companies that limit their teams to the local talent pool. Embracing remote methodologies and staff augmentation strategies can change this. I'm certain we will be seeing many more extended teams of expert developers in the near future. 5. Keeping a secure work environment. With the new norm of remote work, the biggest challenge facing tech teams today is how to maintain a productive and secure work environment. Recent major hacks, such as that of Twitter, have proven how unsecure remote work can be. Using dedicated wireless broadband on top of security tools can help tech teams avoid online vulnerabilities while working remotely. Software engineers shall commit themselves to making the analysis, specification, design, development, testing and maintenance of software a beneficial and respected profession. In accordance with their commitment to the health, safety and welfare of the public, software engineers shall adhere to the following 8 principles. 1. Public. Software engineers shall act consistently with the public interest. 2. Client and employer. Software engineers shall act in a manner that is in the best interests of their client and employer consistent with the public interest. 3. Product. Software engineers shall ensure that their products and related modifications meet the highest professional standards possible. 4. Judgment. Software engineers shall maintain integrity and independence in their professional judgment. 5. Management. Software engineering managers and leaders shall subscribe to and promote an ethical approach to the management of software development and maintenance. 6. Profession. Software engineers shall advance the integrity and reputation of the profession consistent with the public interest. 7. Colleagues. Software engineers shall be fair to and supportive of their colleagues. 8. Self. Software engineers shall participate in lifelong learning regarding the practice of their profession and shall promote an ethical approach to the practice of the profession.
To the extent that computing is a profession, its adherents have a responsibility to shape that profession in ways that are benefit society. An important part of the evolution of computing into a profession has been the development of codes of ethics and professional practice which delineate the responsibilities of the computer professional. The knowledge of these responsibilities, and the practice of them, is fundamental to ethical thought and behavior among computer professionals. For this reason, a careful study and application of professional codes of ethics is crucial to ethical practice in computer science.
Business systems analyst, client support representative, computer engineer, computer security analyst, database developer, entrepreneur, hardware systems designer, industry consultant, information technologist, interface designer, inventory control manager, journalist, laboratory technician, logistics specialist, national security consultant, marketing coordinator, media correspondent, network security specialist, operations manager, patent/computer lawyer,